Welcome to another instalment of Fat Potato Cooked with me, Raj and Anand. Today we'll be making Doner Kebab. Let's take a look and see what we're aiming for. Pop our meats in. Meat. Nice healthy ones. Put some cabbage. Tomatoes as we like. Some cucumber. Some onions. And there we have our Doner Kebab, ready to go. And this is how we do it. For today's recipe, we will need the following: large onion, a large egg, some olive oil, some salt, some coriander, some cumin, some black pepper, some garlic puree, some fresh lamb mince, some plain flour, and most importantly, some freezer bags. What do we do first? First, we'll put all the wet stuff into a blender. Let's start with the onions. We call this wet because it will be wet when it's finished. And we basically blitz it. Next, we'll put the egg. Followed by the olive oil. Followed by the garlic puree. And we'll carry on blitzing. We'll now have sort of a soupy consistency. Very nice. Next, we'll put all the spices in. Here's the salt, coriander, cumin, pepper, and continue to blitz. Next, flour. And last of all, we add the meat. And there we have our Doner Kebab mix, pretty much there. Next, we'll take it from the mixer and put it into a bowl. As you can see, I've now emptied the mixer with all our meat mix to end up in the bowl. What I'm going to do now is to portion this about 150 grams per portion ready for bagging. That's all our dividing done. Next is let's put it in a bag. So, open one of our bags and pop the meat in. Bring it down to the bottom. And make sure we get all the air out. You want to pat this so it's nice and thin. Just before you get there, now seal it. Messy. Draw your thumb along there so that, and that's it. We're now just going to carry on doing these until we've got everything done. And there we have all our mix in our freezer bags. Next thing obviously is to pop them in the freezer at least for 12 hours, 24 hours at best. And then after that, you just take one out whenever you need to. Let's put them in the freezer. So after at least 12 hours, you pull them out in the freezer. What do you get? You end up with these. They're very hard Doner Kebab slabs. What do you do with these? Very simple. Open one up. We'll cut the bag. Like that. Remove our meat. Place it on our tray. And then we now need to grill that for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on how you like it, or you can put that straight onto the barbecue on the grill and see what comes out. I'm going to put mine under the grill. And here we have, straight from the oven. We just need to carve it now. We'll just transfer this to another board. There we go. Carve this into nice strips, and there we have that. Of course, with a doner kebab we'll need some accompaniments, so of anything we like. Of course, our pita bread that's just straight out of the pan. I'm not very good at this. It's a bit hot. What we do now, pop our meats in. Meat. Nice healthy ones. Put some cabbage. Tomatoes as we like, some cucumber, some onions, and there we have our doner kebab ready to go. Hope you enjoy it.